as far as our practical is concerned. So first of all, I want to recall you about the syllabus of the practical. So here is the syllabus, the breakup of marks of your practical exam. You can see here the syllabus of the practical. Major dissection will include 10 marks. However, dissections we can do in a virtual way, and the dissection include the cranial nerves of Veligo-Attu, cranial nerves of Mistus, cranial nerves of Labiorohita, cranial nerves of Stingray, etc. So out of these, in exam you will get one. So the second is, it is of 10 marks, I have already told you. Now the minor dissection will be of 10 marks. It comprises accessory respiratory organ of whether it is Clarius, Heteropneustis fossilis, Anabas testudineus, etc. Then electric organs of Torpedo and Weberian ossicles of, you have to study all this, Weberian ossicles of Veligo, internal ear of Scoliodon, and the pituitary gland of the fishes, and biometry of a local fish, biometric analysis. Morphometry, etc. we have to do. Then third, it is I have already told the 10 numbers, and third is the mounting. It is also of the 10 marks. It may be of various types of, you have done in your theory classes. A number of these scales are there. The placoid scale, ctenoid, cycloid, rhomboid, depending upon the various group of the fishes. So you have to do this, and out of this, whatever the examiner wants, he will give you. So again the fourth exercise will be of water analysis, the physico-chemical characteristic of the water, as the measurement of the pH, turbidity, salinity, dissolved oxygen, etc. This experiment also of the 10 marks. Now the main is the spotting. Spotting is of 20 marks, including 4 specimen, 4 slides, and the 2 bones of fishes. And then again there is a special exercise pertaining to your special paper, that is the identification of fishes. It will include 1 cyprinoid fish and 1 coeluroid fish, and 2 fishes will be given and you have to identify, and it is of 10 marks. Then the 7th exercise will be of viva, as you know, and 8th will be the record of 20 marks. So this is all about your the practical syllabus. So we have decided to discuss about, as you know, the first exercise is major dissection, and the fishes are the cranial nerves, है ना? So Veligo-Attu, Mistus, and the Labiorohita we can discuss first, because if you will dissect out some animal, you have to go about the structural anatomy and all the things. So we can discuss about the cranial nerves first. So today we will discuss the cranial nerves of Veligo-Attu. So cranial nerves of Veligo-Attu, cranial nerves of Veligo-Attu, you know very well the fish. So basically, generally, if we say the fish, the cranial nerves, first of all, what are the cranial nerves? Cranial nerves are those nerves which originate from the brain. We will not go deep in the structure of the or anatomy of the nervous system, as CNS and peripheral nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. We only concentrate on the cranial nerves. So there are in general 10 pairs of cranial nerves. In mammals there are 12 pairs, but in fishes there are 10 pairs of cranial nerves. And what are the name of these cranial nerves? First we will discuss the name of the cranial nerves, and then we will show them in the diagram. So first of all, and one thing more, that these cranial nerves are designated in terms of Roman numbers, like if the first, second, and third, and so on. So the cranial nerves, the first cranial nerve is known as the olfactory nerve. Olfactory nerve. As name indicated, olfactory means pertaining to olfactory function, like the with the smell. So the olfactory nerve, from where I have already told that these cranial nerves